It's gonna get super hot out here, I think. Today, I imagine all the parks are full. We were in town last weekend on Sunday, and we went to my mom's. She lives down in Jackson's Point, down by Del Cel, and they had the parking lot full sign up. Shit, that was probably, I think, about 10 o'clock. It was already full. And then coming back home, going across. Oh, got one. That feels good. What the hell, man? It's not jumping. Probably a friggin' bike. Feels pretty good though. Yeah, it's a good old bass. Nice bass. It's funny, he didn't even try to jump. Oh, please stay on. This feels like my best of the year. Come to Papa. Come to Papa, buddy. Yeah! This is my fucking best of the year! Holy fuck! What a fucking donkey! Oh my god, I'm so glad I came out today. Look at this fucking thing. Oh my god. What a monster. I thought it was a pike because it didn't jump. Whoo! I gotta get some pictures. Put the sucker back. I like to catch and release as soon as possible. Oh my god. Oh my friggin' god. I'm so excited. I don't think I took it. Shit. Not this again. It's like super shaky. I can't hit the number. There. Oh my god. Thank you so much for stopping by. Holy shit. I can't believe it. I don't want to let him go. I just want to look at him. Oh my god, you're so beautiful. What an amazing fish. I hope my camera's getting all this. Oh my god. Thanks for stopping by, buddy. You go make somebody else's day now. Oh, me glad creator. That was awesome. Oh, you know, I've been sick as a dog past couple days, but that, my friend, makes it all worthwhile. Oh god. Whew. My heart gets going. I know I sound like I ran a fucking marathon. Chris, you just reeled the fish in. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's try to get another one. Oh my god, that was amazing.